Go check if we have delivery. Oh, go get it, go get it, go get it. We'll open it. Okay, that's what we ordered. We ordered online, okay? Oh, we'll close the door. Go there, it's open. Okay, we'll unbox it. Go, come here. Show your face to the camera. Why are you hiding here? No, sige. We'll open, okay? This is what we ordered online. Because we have a lot of videos on Mama's phone, so Mama and Baba ordered hard disk or hard drive, 2 terabytes. Okay. Okay, where's it? Not open yet. Maybe this side. This side. Here. No, that side. Here. Oh. Okay. Here. Here's the hard disk. You want to open it? Oh, here, we open. Come this side. Here, oh, go there. Oh, it's so far. Here, oh, go look at the camera. Oh, too far. Come, a little bit. Mama will open. Oh, it's so hard, baby. There's a sticker here, so we have to. A moment, huh? Okay. Here it is. It has a case, so we have to open again. Open. Oh, do not. It's dangerous. Do not touch this one. Oh, just hold the box. It has also the cable. Oh, it's so hard, baby. How to open? I think like this. It's already open, baby. Why are you opening? It's already open here. Oh, it's already open. Oh, here. Here we have already 2. The other one is there. I will get the other one, okay?